Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog here from Chennai. Beautiful morning today. Slightly damp, overcast skies. Great day for having a track day. So let me clear out a few things here. What is a track day and what is a race? Track day is something that is done internationally as well, where you rent out a track and your friends get together and drive. So then what is a race? So when you have bunch of friends having different cars, what you can do is you can team up of the same power or same horsepower, things like that, and then you can check out your lap time. So we do have some interesting collection. I've got my BMW M3 today. We have some M2s, we have GT3 RS, we have couple of Pistas, we have couple of M2s. What else do we have? We have Porsche Boxster, Huracan, probably a couple of GTS 812s joining us in the afternoon. But now from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m., which is, we're already late right now. We're just about 10 minutes away from the track. So we'll be heading down there right now and checking out, doing a short track walk, which is something that I do as a customary to understand the track. This is the first time for me racing at MMRT. MMRT is Madras Motor Racetracks. This is the first time for me over there. So I have a couple of cams set up on my car to give you an inside view, one cam to give you an outside view. And as I drive along, if I get some chance, I try to give you a light intro of the racing line. The track is right outside Hyundai's factory. It's already 7, we're kind of late heading down there right now. I have not done a vlog of me getting into a flight from Hyderabad, coming here and all that. You guys have done it before, so there's no need of explanation. And our damager has been doing quite a bit of vlogging in terms of traveling, so I have not covered that bit. So all in all, I've come in yesterday. We had a good night sleep, lovely dinner, and let's catch up at the track. See you all there. We are here, boys, at MMRT. Look at the lineup today. It's our time to go inside the track. Let's see what's what. Go for a warm-up lap, see what we can do. Forgive my attire, boys, it is because of the helmet. So I'll just show you quickly the lineup of cars that we have got today. Our resident track king Vishnu is here. He currently holds the fastest lap record for MMRT. Better verify. This is the Pista which Vishnu drives. And we got the GT3 RS, Porsche GT4, and the Pista, the yellow. The red one is on the track. We have the beast from the Green Hill, C63, and again a GT2 RS, and a couple of cup cars and a Boxster. So we have the red one inside the track. The session is stopped right now. They're dropping off all the marshals. So once that is done, we go for another out lap, 2 hot laps, cool down lap, come down in. Track is very technical compared to BIC. Don't have a lot of main straights and all. It's a lot of turns. Since it's a convertible, I have a lot of body roll, so trying to combat that. So interesting to see how it goes and what lap times I get. Our resident king is inside the car. He's getting ready. See, with the driving gloves, everything. Yes, Mr. Vishnu, what is the lap times you are getting right now?
Check jealous, sir.
Lap times not checked, not needed. Why do we need to check lap times? They'll always be fast. Anyway. Done for the day, guys. Car's done. Brakes are a little squishy and the transmission is also struggling a bit. Done about 15 to 20 laps. Fastest time of 2 minutes 1.57. So let's see what others get. So I think that's good enough for my category. Let's see how it goes. People having multiple cars are able to drive and rotate cars, but since I only have the M3, we need to be a bit careful with the car. Can't push it too long. It's not a track like BIC where you have long straights and where you have time for the brakes and transmission and an engine to recover. It's not the case here. You're constantly pushing, you're constantly braking, constantly accelerating, so it puts a lot of taxing on the tires, on the brakes, on the engine and the transmission as well. So I'm done. I've parked my car. That's all for me. Done enough laps to get a good time in. Beautiful track. So time now for me to chill, shoot some videos and probably call it a day. That's it. బయట వేడిగా ఉంది పిస్టల్ కోసం చల్లగా కూర్చున్నాం ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ హాబీస్ ఇట్స్ హాట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ సో వీఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఏసీ పిస్తా very hot outside, guys. Tires are melting. The scrubbing, basically scrubbing is when you hear that tire screeching sound on the track. That's when the track surface is very hot and the tires are not able to stick onto the tarmac. So that's when the slippage happens and you hear the sound. So at that point of time you can do two things. One, reduce the speed around the corner, or the other thing you can do is reduce the tire pressure, so it increases the surface area that contacts the road. So that way the more a tire is available for you, giving you a little larger surface area to grip with. So one of the two things that you can do, since we don't have equipment here to reduce and regulate tire pressure, it's best to sit inside the garage, chill out until the track goes dry. So as you can see, it starts showing the tire temperatures here. So you have 58, 52, 57 and 48. That's very hot. That's very hot. And at that 30 psi across. So anything over this is the pista that is sitting here idle for about 20 minutes, and you can still see the tire pressures over close to 60 degrees. That's very hot. Ideally for road cars, the tire temperature, or even for a car like Pista using Pilot Cup Sport 2s, the ideal temperature would be around 40-45, not more than that. So anything more, you lose significant amount of time in terms of slipping and all that. So it's better to chill out, rest and see how it goes. Back to the hotel, guys. It's very hot outside, hot and humid as usual, Chennai. In between the vlog, you'll have a lot of videos of the track that I've taken. I've tried to shoot as much as possible. So you see and enjoy. If I have some videos and clips coming in from some other sources, I will add them as well. All in all, was a good track day. It's very economical for people in South India to come and race rather than going to BIC, considering the track rates and the transport charges that apply. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's been a fun day for me. Hope you guys see the vlog and enjoy. Probably next time I will have somebody come along with me so that he can do the shooting part, because it's really hard for me to set up the cams and shoot as well as drive, talk and all that stuff. Let's see. I'll keep you posted. Thank you so much. See you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.